Welcome to Tesoro Club here in beautiful Port St. Lucie, Florida, a private gated community where luxury living meets the ultimate country club lifestyle. From its championship golf courses and resort-style amenities to stunning new construction homes surrounded by lush natural beauty, Tesoro offers an unmatched experience for those looking to elevate the way they live. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate expert here on the Treasure Coast, and today I'm taking you inside one of the newest opportunities in this prestigious community. Whether you're relocating, retiring, or simply searching for that perfect blend of elegance and leisure, Tesoro Club is the place where you can truly have it all. So let's step inside and explore what makes this home and this lifestyle so special. So this residence is designed across 3,300 square feet under air, offering 3 bedrooms and a club room or media room, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage with a coastal contemporary style perfectly suited to Florida living. The kitchen features an oversized center island with an extended breakfast bar, double-stacked white cabinetry, solid white quartz countertops, and cafe appliances, including a 42-inch built-in refrigerator, wall oven and microwave combo, a gas cooktop, and a hidden pantry. Designed for entertaining, the great room includes a built-in bar with upper and lower cabinetry and opens to a spacious lanai and pool deck with travertine pavers. The professionally designed pool showcases a sun shelf and water feature, and inside of the home there are soaring 12-foot high ceilings, a club room with a wet bar, and elegant 32 by 32 tile flooring throughout, enhancing the home's luxurious feel. All of this is situated on a prime home site within Tesoro. At Tesoro Club, residents will find a rare blend of exclusivity, elegance, and world-class amenities. Home to 2 championship golf courses designed by Arnold Palmer and Tom Watson, Tesoro is a golfer's paradise. Rolling fairways, pristine greens, and breathtaking lake and preserve views create an unmatched setting for both challenge and relaxation. But Tesoro is more than just golf. This is a lifestyle destination. The centerpiece of the community is a 100,000 square foot Palm Beach inspired clubhouse where members enjoy fine dining, elegant social spaces, and a calendar full of private events. For wellness and recreation, residents enjoy a world-class racket club with Har-Tru tennis courts and pickleball, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a resort-style pool perfect for soaking in the Florida sun. The spa and salon offer relaxation at its finest, while miles of nature trails invite you to unwind in the serenity of preserved wetlands and lakes. Living in Tesoro Club means waking up every day in a home that matches the elegance of its surroundings. From newly built luxury estates to custom-designed residences, every property reflects timeless craftsmanship, modern design, and sweeping views of the golf course or natural preserves. Located right on the Treasure Coast, Tesoro offers unmatched privacy and tranquility while still being minutes from the beaches, boating, and cultural experiences of South Florida. Palm Beach is also just 30 minutes away, making it convenient for travel, dining, and entertainment, yet Tesoro feels like a world of its own. Thinking about making a move to the Treasure Coast? Whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood to navigating new construction to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of the most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move here and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.